डाल, हाँ दिल का बोल डाल, बोल डाल, जोड़ डाल, शर्माना बोल. Yeah, basically the key is शर्माना भूल जा. I love you, बोल डाल, talking about how to not be shy in sex, people.
To let your guard down and enjoy romance and sexual intimacy, try our sexy gift today. It's called the 12 Romantic Dates.
इस गिफ्ट में आपको मिलेंगे 12 surprise dates for you and your lover to enjoy. So ignite the passion of your romance with this sexy gift.
It includes 12 romantic surprise date cards, each of which have a surprise date scenario, and a love note fridge magnet with an erasable pen to jot down those naughty little thoughts that you're just too shy to speak about.
So let the excitement build up till you find out what surprise date scenario awaits you.
Of course, you choose a date card from the satin bag and get set to sweep each other off your feet.
You have got to pick out your surprise date weekly or monthly to liven up your relationship and surprise your sexual senses. तो ये gift ले आइए और अपनी sex shyness को दूर भगाइए. और अब सुनिए सेक्स फाइल्स. आज के में दोस्तों, all men like women to be shy in bed.
Well, the fact research says that 67% of men find sex more exciting with a woman with lower sexual inhibitions.
Now, I like my woman quiet, not coy, लेकिन मैं तो बहुत ही sex shy हूँ यार. I don't like the girls to see my face after sex. You know, I like to vanish.
Okay, how very sexy of you. Girls, drop the shyness and get control of your sex life. Let go of those inhibitions, you know, to make the most of your sex adventure.
बल्कि मैं तो कहता हूँ जिसने की शर्म उसके फूटेंगे करम. पता लगाइए कि आज के सेक्सुअल किस्मत किसकी फूटी है on our worst experience. सेक्स और शर्माने की sex shyness यानी कि.
But now, can you have sex if someone's watching? Let's find out whose eyes are caught on our worst experience of the day.
Here we go. What's the experience time, Kamal? And this is brother Rajdeep, who writes in from Guwahati. कहते हैं, I took my girlfriend to my attic once for some great afternoon sex. We were so turned on that we barely got through the door. We started taking off our clothes and got right down to the act. Just as we were about to climax, I noticed an audience on the terrace of the neighborhood building. They were whispering and laughing. I lost my erection instantly and she didn't want to see me for a week after that.
Public displays of affection at its embarrassing worst.
But the good news is he has an attic.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's just go watch the top 5. Okay, the top 5 most common things people are shy about doing in sex. At number 5, talking dirty. Guys, words can be such a great turn on. Don't ignore them.
And number 4, having a bath together. Don't rule out some steamy, slippery fun. Don't be shy.
3, initiating sex. गड्डी start पे नहीं डालेंगे तो गड्डी कैसे चलेगी? पहले आप में गड्डी निकल ना जाए.
Number 2, watching yourself in the mirror while having sex. Hot.
You try that today evening. And at number 1, okay, sharing secret fantasies. It's a must do or lose the shyness. Open up, people.
And do keep writing us. You can SMS us at Dangerous, space your message, send it to 8888, or email us at dangerous@therateofzoomtelevision.com. You can also write to us.
Yes, you can also write into us at Dangerous, box number 132, GPO Mumbai 400001. या आप हमें फोन भी कर सकते हैं 022-5698-9966 पर. Rosno, experiment, innovate, and be creative. Kamal, you need to get over your shyness now.
Shyness can be a great way for girls to, you know, politely say, back off, buddy.
Back off as in later, buddy?
As in never, buddy.
As in never later, buddy?
As in whatever, buddy. Okay, let's get back to...
Rosno, yeah, I think we say goodbye to these people right now while I try to convince you what a special moves you're going to try today evening.
Okay.
Bye-bye, people. See you next time.
Bye.